For today's video, I'm going to share with you my version of a hearty beef and rice mixture with plenty of melted cheese. The bell pepper is an excellent vessel for stuffing meat, rice, and of course cheese. It is strong enough to hold its shape in the oven, and the flavor is subtle enough to go well with just about anything you have in the fridge. And that's basically what I love about this dish. Let's begin with removing the tops and the seeds. You can also slice the bottoms of the peppers if necessary so that they will stand upright. This is one of our favorite recipe because the customization options are endless. You can actually use any ground protein like pork, turkey, chicken, or beef. In this recipe, I am using beef, but if you're vegan, you can actually use tofu to replace the meat. Arrange the peppers in a baking dish with the hollow sides facing upward. Slice the part that you remove from the bell peppers so nothing is wasted. Fill the peppers with the hot meat and rice mixture, and then sprinkle the tops with cheese and bake for 20 minutes or until peppers are tender and cheese is browned. If you want the bell peppers to be more tender, please feel free to adjust the baking time. These stuffed bell peppers are filled with a mixture of ground beef, tomato
That's what you
sauce,
call a bell
parsley,
pepper.
mushrooms, and rice, and topped with cheese and baked to perfection. A classic dish that is comfort food at its finest. Bon appetit!
I see meatloaf and cheese and
Mushrooms,
mushrooms and
parsley.
oh, very healthy dinner. Vegan to go.
It's not vegan, there's meat in it.
Oh, there's real meat. Okay, now I don't want any more.
Eet smakelijk. Lekker? Good or not? Very good. Pasado naman tayo mga besh. Thank you so much for watching.
Masarap.
Masarap.